guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing taro and tea. I have no idea what's in this box. So this is huge, and some of these boxes are really, like, there's a great range as far as budget goes. So this, I don't know exactly which one this is. They all come with tea and like a ritual, right? But it also says you are the seer, so I'm thinking there's something about, you know, like, you know, I want to say forecast. This is not the weather. Like readings and things like that. So anyway, the whole premise is enhance, empower, and evolve, right? Through these like daily rituals that help you manifest your intentions and things like that, which I think is super, super cool. There's a sampler ritual tea box, and that's $9.99. That's monthly. Then there's a fateful subscription, and that's $16.99, and that's also monthly. There's also a subscription called the Forecast, and that's $34.99 monthly. And then finally they have a quarterly box called the Fortune Box, and that's $79.99. So as you can see, there's a huge range there. So if you're interested, or maybe you want to try it out, you don't have to put all your feet in the water. Is that a thing? At once? Anyway, oh my gosh, I'm getting a call. Oh my gosh. There we go. All right, so we're going to open this up and find out what's in here together. I don't know. I'm excited, though. I've had this box for a while, and I didn't have time. I told you that. I like keep running out of time on my phone, so hopefully today cooperates with me, and we can do a bunch of videos. All right, so here's our insert. It's like reused, like insulated things. Can I talk? I don't know. All right, so this is their October box. I think I got a whole thing about this. October's box guide, got ghosts. So it has a really cool little skull paper clip. Yes, I'm working on getting a table for right here so I can just pull things out. I know a lot of you were like, well, it doesn't look like you have room, and it's true. I really don't. So here's all these items here. These are all our inserts. There's a coupon code, featured artisans, and I'm guessing this tells us what's in here. I just don't want to give anything away. So we're just looking at that. And then we have some cards here. So these are probably intention cards. This one has, oh my gosh, it looks like Coco. The Hermit. These are all, I guess, tarot cards, but they're in like little Dia de los Muertos figures. Tea Oracle. We placed the wreaths upon the splendid granite sarcophagus and at its feet, and felt that only the earthly robe we loved so much was there. The pure, tender, loving spirit which loved us so tenderly is above us, loving us, praying for us, and free from all suffering. And woe, yes, that is a comfort. And that first birthday in another world must have been a far brighter one than any in this poor world below. Queen Victoria. All right, and then we have finally this card, Tea Fortune. Green Tea Fortune says, no one can walk backwards into the future. And now it is time to try something new. Okay. We'll have to start somewhere. So there's just a whole bunch of information. I don't want to sit here and read the whole video, though. So we're just going to get into this box. And then I am going to link down below to my full review. We'll go in depth. If you want to read that, check that out in my blog. If you want to... that feels oddly soft in here. Squishy almost. If you want to check out Ritual Tea, I will... Taro and Tea. It's not Ritual Tea, it's Taro and Tea. Yes, but there's like Ritual Tea is like one of their subscriptions. I will link to them as well. So let's see. All right, I'm going to show you. Wow, there's so much in here. So this, I think, if I get this correctly, is $34.99 a month. I hope this isn't the $79.90. There's a lot of stuff, and I just am understanding it wrong. All right, anyway. So I'll put the price down below so then you guys can, you know, if you understand. Everything is wrapped individually, which I think is really cute. It makes it a lot more fun to open everything like a present. At first it looks like you have a little warmer here. Has its own tea light, and inside it has 6 cups of tea. So you put your wax up here, and it has, look, it has, oh my gosh, it's got a sugar skull. So this is really cute, and I can decorate with it. I love that. All right. I do have a bookshelf over here where I'll be putting stuff now. All right, so this is 6 cups of tea. Is calling you back to innocence. Oh, it's an actual, like a blend. It's light caffeine, floral notes, white tea, jasmine. You guys know I love jasmine. And that's it. Ooh, so that's the blend is actually 6 cups, and this is a little sample. All right, so we have, oh my god, oh my goshness. All right, so then we have 9 of Pentacles tea. This is just oolong. Look at the little packets, aren't they cute? This one is the Devil's tea. I don't know what's in there. It's just black tea. My husband loves black tea. So if we ever make tea together, which is very rare, he's not. And then this one is 6 of Swords. So they're all like tarot cards. Did you notice? Ingredients, red rooibos, freeze-dried carrots. I've never had that in a tea before. Cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Then we have the Death Card tea. Rooibos, organic honeybush. I love honeybush. Organic orange peel, organic safflower, organic hibiscus, and natural flowers. So these are all also made by Tarot and Tea. I should mention that. All right. Oh my god, my floor is gonna be full of this green paper. All right, here's a candle. This is 4 of Pentacles, a ritual candle. Oh, is it like a lotion candle as well? It has one of those little spatulators in there to scoop stuff out. So maybe it is a massage candle. I don't know. It smells like orange, like a citrus, maybe more like grapefruit. I don't know. Body candle, I was right. Ooh, and girl, grapefruit bergamot. I told you. All right, anyway, we're going to keep going. There's a lot of stuff. A lot. Wow. I have to say, I think this is the $79.99 box, guys, because there's just so much in here. All right, I see a teaspoon. I think this is a tea. Ooh, look at it. It's a skull. Oh my gosh. Isn't that the coolest? Oh my gosh. We'll do a price breakdown on the blog too. Oh, I need to keep this, or I'm going to not have the information. It had a little tag on it. Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at these. This is what was so squishy. All right. These are little candies. I don't know who makes this. I'll look at the insert after we make this video. Look at that. Looks like a sugar candy or like a small sugary doodle. I had a little interrupter. All right. So here's another little candy. This is a green tea candy. I think I've actually had these. I used to get them at H Mart when I lived in DC. All right. Then we have another thing of tea. This is the Devil's Tea. Again, a smaller sampler packet. And this has black tea in it. So those are nice. Dang, there's so much. Holy guacamole. There's a whole other side of tea over here. And they each have a tarot card inside. Oh, is that what these are? So those all have a tarot card inside as well. And maybe you're building a deck. I don't really know. Isn't that crazy? So this is the Tower Tea. This is just green tea. I love the names. Aren't they cool? It helps too that I'm reading the Dark Tower series. So the Tower. Queen of Cups tea. This is just white tea. I love white tea, so I will love that. This looks like rooibos. This is Justice Card tea. So this is, oh wow, pure tea. P-U-E-R-H, never heard of that. Cinnamon, honeybush, cocoa nibs, ground chocolate, safflower, chili flakes. Wow, natural flavors. This is, it doesn't say if it has caffeine or not, so I'm not sure. But look at that. Looks like rooibos, that red, pretty red color. So here are some little like cookies. Oh my goodness, look at those little cookies and stuff to eat with your tea, clearly. Or are they cookies or, oh my goodness, they're like so cute looking, you know? Look, and oh, this is like a Ouija board little thing. Oh my gosh. Isn't that cool? I love it, oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna keep going because I don't want to run out of time. Like I don't want to, I have like X amount of minutes on my thing and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so much. I don't know what this is for. It's a little, looks like a piece of gauze. Or it's, oh, they're probably tea bags, like because it's loose tea. I use an infuser, but these are bags which always come in handy. I love how everything is sealed and packaged separately. All right, this box is Dem Bones Sugar Cube Skulls. Oh my gosh, and there's from a company called Dem Bones Etsy. Look at them, aren't they cool? And it's Halloween. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? My kids are gonna love it. I make tea for my daughter sometimes. Not caffeinated, don't worry. Don't get your panties in a bunch. All right. What's this? What's this? What is this? All right, I don't know what it is yet. Is it a little cauldron? No way. Is it? I have scissors here. Sometimes that's what I feel like. I'm just like, oh, being dramatic, but I'm not. Oh, it's a 3-part. Hold on. So, I think I see what this is. But oh no. So it's a whole tea drink. Isn't this neat? Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so cool. And yes. How about a yes? Okay. Ooh, another candy. This is a tea candy. Green tea latte. This looks like a tea towel. Maybe not. Maybe a... I love this box. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. This is it a tea towel? Hello? So, oh my gosh, look, this is a tea towel, but it is an entire Ouija board on a tea towel. How cool is that? Especially this time of year. And I love, love, love. I have one in my car, like for my little car freshener. Sugar skulls. So that is so neat. I'm going to put all the vendors in the full review just so like, because we're just going through all this stuff and there's just so much. So if you're interested in knowing who created each of the individual items, check that out. All right, we're down to our last 2 items. The curation, by the way, is awesome as well. So we have a little etched cat and then a purple crystal. I don't know what this crystal is. Maybe it's polished amethyst. It's purple, but it's a sphere, which is really cool. You don't see those often with stones. I have a hair on my face, and it's itching. All right. Then our final item. I believe that's our final item. Yes. I just want to make sure nothing's hiding. That happens a lot. I'll like go downstairs and take my pictures, and I'm like, oops. All right. What is it? Oh, is it an infuser? It is. And it's a skull and crossbones. Oh my gosh, look. Huh. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? To be honest, I usually use the metal ones because sometimes they're hard to get back together. However, the kids are gonna love the idea of using one of these. Like, this is awesome. So guys, let me know down below what you think of all this stuff. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you're into this sort of thing, let me know. Also, if you're interested in that full review, check that out. If you're interested in checking out Tarot and Tea, I will link to them as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.